Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code Savannah in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step understanding error code Savannah. Content this error code. Savannah in Call of Duty Warzone typically indicates a problem with the game's connection to Activision's online services. It often manifests as a disconnection from the server during gameplay or an inability to connect to aligned matches at all. While it can sometimes point to issues on the player's end, it's frequently associated with server-side problems, such as maintenance overload or unexpected outages affecting Warzone's infrastructure. Recognizing its nature as primarily a server communication issue helps in approaching troubleshooting effectively, differentiating it from client-side crashes or graphical errors. Step: check Activision server status content before attempting any complex fixes on your system. The very first step should be to verify the operational status of Activision servers. Error code Savannah is frequently a direct result of ongoing server maintenance, unexpected outages, or high traffic congestion. Visit the official Activision support website, the dedicated Call of Duty Twitter accounts, or third-party server status trackers like Down Detector to see if there's a widespread report of issues. If the servers are down or experiencing problems, there's nothing you can do but wait for Activision to resolve the issue. Attempting other fixes will be futile until service is restored. Step: the network and internet connectivity troubleshoot. Content even if server status appears, find local network issues can prevent a stable connection. Begin by restarting your modem and router. Unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and wait for them to fully boot up. Consider switching from Wi-Fi to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, as it provides a more stable and less prone to interference connection. You might also try changing your servers to public ones like Goldflake or Cloudflare as your ISP's default. This can sometimes cause connectivity issues with specific game servers. Ensure your internet connection is stable and meets the minimum requirements for online gaming.
Step: will verify game files and clear cache content. Corrupted game files or cache data can sometimes interfere with the game's ability to connect properly for players using Battle.net. Open the Battle.net launcher, select Call of Duty Warzone, click the gear icon options, and choose Scan and Repair. This process will check for and fix any damaged game files on consoles, PlayStation, Xbox. Clear your console's cache for PlayStation. Turn off the console, unplug it for a minute, then plug it back in for Xbox. Go to Settings, Devices, Connections, Blu-ray, Persistent Storage, and clear it or perform a full power cycle by holding the power button for 5 seconds. Additionally, ensure your game and system software are fully updated.
Step: reinstall the game or contact support content. If all previous steps have failed, a complete reinstallation of Call of Duty Warzone may be necessary as a last resort. This ensures that any deeply corrupted files or persistent installation issues are entirely removed and replaced with a fresh copy. Be aware that this can be a lengthy process due to the game's large file size. If reinstallation does not resolve error code Savannah, or if you consistently encounter it despite confirmed operational servers and a stable local network, it's time to contact Activision support directly. Provide them with detailed information about the error, the troubleshooting steps you have already taken, your platform, and specific circumstances under which the error occurs, as they may have more advanced diagnostic tools or specific solutions for your account or region.